Hi guys, this is Neha, and as I promised, I'm back with my happiness project. First of all, Eid Mubarak and Happy Akshaya Tritiya to each and everyone. I hope you're having good time with your family, having good food, and also being safe and sound in your homes. So guys, let's start. This is episode 1, and I need to start with a shocking fact. India is ranked 139 out of 149 countries in happiness score. Can you believe that? 138 countries are happier than us. We have so much to be proud of: a rich heritage, a rich culture, multiple, multiple types of people, states. But still, yes, we are unhappy. So, our happiness needs to work, and we need to, make India at least shift few ranks up. So, step 1. Step 1 in any problem solving is to know that there is a problem. So, you need to be aware that you are unhappy. So, danger is real, guys. Danger is like, COVID will happen. Yes, that's true. But fear is a choice. You're choosing to be afraid. Fear is about something, which is going to happen in future. It's totally abstract. अरे मुझे कोविड हो गया तो, अरे मुझे मेरा काम कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ तो, मेरा प्रमोशन नहीं हुआ तो, ऑल दैट थिंग्स. सो नहीं होना है तो नहीं होगा गाइस, और होना है तो होके ही रहेगा. So somewhere, we don't need to try to control which we cannot control. So being scared is your choice, but being aware can also be choice. So first of all, as soon as you feel like angry or you feel like frustrated, you feel like yelling on your spouse or subordinate, or like snapping on your kids, stop. स्टेचू स्टेचू खेलते थे बचपन में, वैसे just stop for a second and hold your thought. Catch that fear in your head and tell him that fear, you don't need to be here. You make sense that you're here, but right now you're not helping me or my people, so you need to get out. And yes, this is silly, I know, but trust me, as soon as you do this step, fear will be, at least pushed back for few steps. And once you understand, knowing that yes, it is getting triggered, definitely it will work for you. So guys, I hope this step you will follow, and let me know your experiences. In next episode, I'll be telling you, after identifying your fear, what you can do to totally kick out. Chalo then, let's see you next week. Bye.